Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer LastPass data out before the end of support, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your LastPass account on your preferred web browser. Navigate to your vault by selecting the LastPass icon in the browser toolbar. Once in your vault, locate the Advanced Options menu typically found in the account settings. Click on Export. A warning message may appear, reminding you about the sensitivity of your data. Read the warning and click Continue or OK to proceed with the export. You may be prompted to enter your LastPass master password for security verification. After entering your password, your vault data will begin to export. A file, typically in CSV format, will be generated and downloaded to your computer. Locate the downloaded CSV file in your computer's designated Downloads folder. Open the file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to verify its contents. Take the time to review the exported data for accuracy and completeness. Next, consider where you would like to transfer your data. If you are moving to a new password manager, refer to their guidelines for importing CSV files. Usually, your new password manager will have an import feature in their settings or tools menu. Follow the prompts provided by your new password manager to complete the import process. Once imported, double-check that all your data has been transferred successfully. Finally, remember to delete the CSV file from your computer to maintain your data security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.